Hi, my name is Rose Morrison, and I'm going to be singing What Only Love Can See from Chaplin. Let me show you the best that's inside you. Leave the films behind you. Just stay and talk to me. The tramp can charm me with a look that may be funny, but he can never tell me what only love can see. Through tomorrow and days of sorrow, I will follow and I will remain. If you show me the man behind the movie, you'll start a whole new story that only love can see. Through tomorrow and days of sorrow, let me follow and I will remain. Let them whisper and search for the answer, but we must remember what's only love, what only love, what only love can see. Thank you.